long I have waited to see the light. The temptation abated to be by your side. And if I could have related to you on that night, then I would not be jaded by the sight of your eyes. And how long I've been friends with the shadow it's cast over me. Stop wondering why and how all these things just might be. I'm sad to move onward, and half of that is a lie. Half ready to land, and half ready to fly. And rational thinking, it's not a strong point of mine. Setting feelings aside, it's more than half of the fight. And how long I've been friends with the shadow cast over me. The choices I've made for reasons I am trying to believe. I've been shackled to what ifs and what still might be. The what ifs and why nots, and what about someone like me? Keep your spirit free. To learn about love is like learning to fly down on the ground before you're up in the sky. So you build up the courage, tell her what's on your mind. You've seen her before, she caught your eye. And she's the love of your life, but she hangs up a sign. No vacancy here, already filled on the inside. And you feel that you wanna just break down and cry. All you can show are the tears of the dry kind. They start falling down, 'cause you would give anything to be in that moment you believed. You would give anything to keep your spirit free. Caught in a whirlwind of disbelief, not sure which side you will see. You would give anything to keep your spirit free. Oh, what it would feel like to be alive for the first time. Oh, what it would feel like to be in love for the first time. When you know it inside. And with all that has changed, one thing I find, you still remain at the front of my mind. be